Can you speak English during your daily home routine? Do you know what to say while eating, cleaning, cooking, or talking with your family? In this lesson, you will learn 60 easy English sentences you can use at home every day. Look at the picture, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Let's start with morning sentences. Wake up, please.
Wake up, please.
It is morning.
It is morning.
Open the curtains.
Open the curtains.
Make your bed.
Make your bed.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Get dressed quickly.
Get dressed quickly.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
Come to the table.
Come to the table.
Drink your milk.
Drink your milk.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Where are my keys?
Where are my keys?
Your shoes are near the door.
Your shoes are near the door.
Please wear your slippers.
Please wear your slippers.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Lock the front door.
Lock the front door.
I am leaving now.
I am leaving now.
Great job! You have learned 20 useful sentences. Keep listening and repeating. The next sentences will help you speak English around the house. Please come inside.
Please come inside.
Sit on the sofa.
Sit on the sofa.
Keep your bag here.
Keep your bag here.
Wash your hands first.
Wash your hands first.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Bring me some water.
Bring me some water.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
Turn on the fan.
Turn on the fan.
Where is the remote?
Where is the remote?
Turn the volume down.
Turn the volume down.
The room is messy.
The room is messy.
Please clean your room.
Please clean your room.
Put away your toys.
Put away your toys.
Fold these clothes.
Fold these clothes.
Hang up your shirt.
Hang up your shirt.
Do not touch that.
Do not touch that.
Please answer the door.
Please answer the door.
Someone is waiting outside.
Someone is waiting outside.
I am in the kitchen.
I am in the kitchen.
Excellent! You have already learned 40 sentences. Only 20 more sentences are left. This time, try to say each sentence before you hear it. Help me cook dinner.
Help me cook dinner.
Cut the vegetables carefully.
Cut the vegetables carefully.
Please set the table.
Please set the table.
Dinner is almost ready.
Dinner is almost ready.
Call everyone for dinner.
Call everyone for dinner.
Please pass the salt.
Please pass the salt.
This food tastes delicious.
This food tastes delicious.
Eat your food slowly.
Eat your food slowly.
Put your plate here.
Put your plate here.
Please wash the dishes.
Please wash the dishes.
Wipe the table clean.
Wipe the table clean.
Put the leftovers away.
Put the leftovers away.
Please water the plants.
Please water the plants.
Feed the pet, please.
Feed the pet, please.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
Bring me my blanket.
Bring me my blanket.
Put your phone away.
Put your phone away.
Change into your pajamas.
Change into your pajamas.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night. Sleep well.
Well done. You have learned 60 easy English sentences you can use at home every day. Now choose 5 sentences and use them with your family today. Which sentence was the most useful for you? Write it in the comments. Practice these sentences every day, and you will speak English more naturally and confidently. Like this video, share it with other English learners, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson.